Hello everyone, in today's video, we will be learning about package management and software installation in Linux. So in this task, we will cover the topics. So first one is, what is package management system in Linux? What are the key components of Linux package management system? What are the different types of package manager in Linux? How that package managers are installed, update and remove in Linux. And after that, we will install a Git software from a source on Ubuntu. And after that, we will troubleshooting for package management and software installation. So lastly, we will discuss some interview question and answers. So let's start. So our first point is, what is package management system in Linux? So in Linux, package management is a system that simplifies the process of installation, updating, configuration, and removal of a software on your system. Package management helps to install software easily. It also resolves dependencies automatically. It keeps your system software updated. It removes unwanted software cleanly. So we do package management to make sure that all the software on your Linux system works smoothly and with its required dependencies and configuration. So there are several Linux distributions such as Debian, Fedora, RHEL, and CentOS, and many more. So each having its own package manager. So our second point is key components of Linux package management system. So firstly, we will understand what is package. So a package is a like box containing everything you need to set up and use piece of a software. So package includes binaries. Binaries means the actual software program that your computer will run. And it includes metadata. Metadata means information like package name, version, and which other packages it depends on to work. It also includes instructions. Instructions mean steps for the package manager to install, configure, or remove the software. So let's take one example. Imagine you want to install Firefox. So the package for Firefox is Firefox.deb. It is for Debian based system. So it has the browser software. So a description of about what Firefox is and instruction is means how it should be installed on your system. So our second component is repository. Repository is like a big library or an app store for Linux. So it's where all these packages are stored, and instead of going to different websites to download the software, your system connects these libraries to get the latest and safest version of your software. So, our third and mostly important component is dependency resolution. So, many software packages depend on other libraries or tools to function correctly. So, the package manager automatically detects and installs these dependencies to ensure the software operates without issues. This feature avoids dependency hell, where users have to manually track and resolve compatibility issues between dependencies. So, our third point is different types of package manager in Linux. In that, we have to check first one is APT. So, APT is nothing but advanced package tool. So it is used by Debian-based systems such as Ubuntu and Linux Mint. It handles .dev packages and simplifies package installation, updates, and removal. So second package manager is Yum. Yum means Yellow Dog Updater or Modified. It is used by Red Hat-based distributions including RHL, CentOS, and older Fedora version. It works with .rpn packages to manage the software. So our third package manager is DNF, is nothing but Danified Yum. So it is a modern replacement for Yum, and it is used in Fedora, RHEL, CentOS, and Alma Linux. So it offers improved dependency resolution and better performance. So our fourth package manager is known as DPKG. DPKG means Debian package. So it is a low-level package manager tool for handling .dev packages, and it is commonly used in Debian based distribution, and it serves as a backend for APT. So our fifth package manager is RPM. RPM means Red Hat Package Manager, and it is a low-level tool similar to DPKG, but it is designed for .rpm packages, and it is also used in Red Hat-based distribution like RHEL, CentOS, and Fedora. There are some other popular tools also like Pacman and Zyper. Now, our next point is installing, updating, and removing packages in Linux. So, in Linux distribution, there are various methods for managing the software. In that, first one is using package manager that we was seen. That example are apt, yum, and dnf. So, second one is binary package management, and third one is source-based package management that we will see afterwards. So fourth one is universal formats. In that there are tools like Flatpak and Snap. We will discuss in the next task. So we will. Our next point is popular package managers in Linux. In that we will see using apt to perform or install or update and delete the packages using apt. So apt is a advanced package tool, and it is a powerful package management system used by Debian based Linux distribution, it including Ubuntu. So it provides the straightforward interface for managing .deb packages, and it will automating tasks like software installation, removal, updates while handling dependencies efficiently. So we will see that how to install and how to update and also how to remove a packages using apt command. Now, using apt, we have to install a package. For that, there is a syntax called sudo apt install, and we have to provide a package name that should be installed. So, I use the putty terminal. In that, I execute every command. So, let's start. First one, we have to install a package name. So, for that, I use this syntax sudo apt install tree. My package name is tree, so it should be installed. Now, one newly installed and zero to remove and zero upgraded. So our tree package is successfully installed. Now I want to remove this package. So for that, I have the command like sudo apt remove, and we have to provide the package name. So I use this command sudo apt remove, and we have to provide package name. So it is asking the permission, so we have to provide y means yes to continue. So 1 to remove and 0 newly installed and 0 upgraded. So our task is successfully completed. The package tree is removed successfully. So our next command is to update a package with apt. Use this following command. So for updating, we have to update a package name. So for that, there is a syntax called sudo apt update, and we have to provide package name. We have to also, if there are multiple packages in our machine, so for that we have the command sudo apt update. Now all the packages are installed and upgraded or updated. So for that, if you want to specify a particular package should be updated, then in that case you will be use sudo apt update and provide the package name. I want to update all the packages. For that, I use the sudo apt and update. So we are successfully installed, update and remove a package using apt. So now our second package manager is Yum. So Yum is a package manager. It is primarily used in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. So for this task, I use the Ubuntu server. So for performing the installation, updation and deletion using Yum command, for that I have to choose Red Hat distribution. So in the next task, we will perform the updation, deletion, and installation using yum command. Now, using a package manager, we have installed, remove, and update our package. Now, our second method, that is source-based package management. For that, we have to install a Git software from a source on our Ubuntu. For that, there is a step-by-step procedure we have to follow. So, our first step is update the system packages. For that, we have the command called sudo apt update -y. So now let's start. We have to follow the procedure. So I will write here sudo apt update -y. So our machine is updated now. Now we have to follow the second step. So for installing the dependency, we have to follow this command. I will copy this command and paste it in putty terminal. Now we have the third step. Our second step is completed. For third step, there is a following command. We have to execute this command. We have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes to perform this task. Now we have to follow the step 4 to extract the downloaded file. We have to use this command. So I will copy this command and paste it into the terminal. Now we have to, after extracting, we have to navigate the Git installation folder and run the following command. For that, I use this. Now we have to run this command. After that, we have to perform this command. Now our Git software is successfully installed using source. So now after installation, we have to verify our Git version is 2.4.45.2 is no. So for that there is a command called git version. So now I will copy this and paste it into Git Software. So it will show that there is a latest version of a Git. So 2.45.2. So we have successfully downloaded the latest version of Git software using source. So in this task, we performing the using package manager and second one using source based management. We have already performed that installing, updating and removing packages, and we also install a Git software using source based package management. So now our next point is troubleshooting for package management and software installation. So troubleshooting means some of the errors or issues occurred during the execution of program or our any command is executing and installing the packages or software. In that case, we have to occurred any errors. Then that errors are known as troubleshooting. We have to find the solution for that. So I have the first error. It is occur during package manager errors. So the errors are unable to locate package not found, or fail to fetch. So in that case, I have the solution. For that, I have to update the packages. For that, I have the command sudo apt update. So if you have faced any error during the execution of package manager or package not found, in that case you have the solution and you have the command like sudo apt update. So you have to use this. So second error is dependencies issues. So error like dependency is not satisfiable or broken packages. In that error, you have the solution. You have to fix that broken dependencies using the following command. That is nothing but sudo apt hyphen hyphen fix broken install. So what are the broken dependencies are there? So we have to fix. So for that there is a command. So second option is there, you have to install the latest version. Yes, in that this error is come during if there is a package or a software with older version and you have to try to download the latest version. In that case, the dependency issues are occurred. So for that there is a solution. You have to specify the specific version and package name, and you need to install. So our third error is installation failures. For that, there is a errors like permission denied or no space left on device. So for that, there is a solution. You have to run your commands using sudo. Before writing any command, provide the sudo before that. So next one is conflicts with the existing software. So if your versions are mismatched during the execution or installing the commands, then in that case the errors are occurred. So for that there is a solution. You have to remove the older version package and install the latest version of your package. Now, there is a fifth one that is nothing but custom software installation issues. So, these problems compiling for source or using third party. Now, we was seen that we are downloaded the Git software from a source. In that case, if your software is latest version but you are installing the older version, in that case the problem is occurred. For that there is a solution. You have to check the dependencies. For that there is a particular command called sudo apt install build essential, and we have to verify the instruction from the official guide. So lastly, we have our interview questions and answers. So let's discuss. So our first question is, what is Linux Package Manager and why is it important? So a Linux Package Manager is a tool that automates the process of installing, updating, configuring and removing software on Linux system. So in this task we was seen that we using Package Manager we have installed and remove and update our packages using apt command. And importance is that it simplifies the software management by resolving dependencies and compatibility between packages. So our next question is, what is the difference between APT and Yum? So APT is a Debian-based distribution and Yum is a Red Hat-based distribution. This is the main difference between APT and Yum. So our third question is, what is the difference between DPKG and APT? So DPKG is a low-level package manager and APT is a high-level tool that works with DPKG. So our fourth one is, how can you remove a package in Linux? So we have seen that we have already removed a package using following command, that is nothing but sudo apt remove and our particular package name. So fifth question is, what is the difference between Yum and DNF? So Yum is the older package manager, but DNF is a modern replacement for the better performance and better dependency management. So sixth question is, what are the dependencies and how are they handled in Linux? So dependencies are other packages or libraries in for a software package to function, and package managers like apt and yum that are not required dependency for installing the software. So next question is, what is the Zyper package manager? So Zyper is a command line package manager used in OpenSUSE. So in the next task, we will use this Zyper command for performing or installing, updating and remove the packages. So last question is, how do you install multiple packages simultaneously? We have seen that using sudo apt install package name, we have installed only one package. If you want to install multiple packages simultaneously, in that case, there is a command called sudo apt install. We have to provide the multiple packages name with the space. So there is a command called sudo apt install package 1, package 2, package 3. So lastly, there is a conclusion. In this article, we have covered package management and software installation in Linux. So there are related articles also. For future use. You have to study about the package management and software installation. In that case, you use this article. The link is provided in description. So you use that for further use. So thank you so much.